In this video, Swftc has shared some big news on the coin X page. Before we look at Swftcoin's big news, let's see if Swftcoin is going up. There is a long-standing downtrend on the Swftc coin chart. The price touched this trend line many times and retraced each time. At the moment, however, the price is close to this trend line again. If a volume breakout occurs, buyers may gain strength in the market and the price may start an upward move. If a retest occurs after the breakout and the price holds above this level, we could see faster gains. And another notable element on the chart is the bullish order block at the bottom. This area has worked as an area where the price has reacted many times before. Every time the price reached this level, buyers stepped in and reacted upwards. However, there is an important detail here. Testing this level too many times can weaken its strength, because every contact can exhaust the buy orders here and lose support. If this area is tested once again and there is no strong buyer reaction, the price may move down and we may see a deeper correction. Therefore, it would be a healthier strategy to watch how the price reacts here instead of blindly relying on this level. You need to stay on track. And another important point to note on the chart is the bearish order block at the top. This is a strong seller's area, where the price has previously encountered heavy selling. Once the price approaches this level, the upward movement is likely to slow down or stop altogether due to large pending sell orders here. If the price moves up to this zone and receives a strong selling reaction, we may see a downward movement again. However, the point to note here is how the price will react to this order block. If an upside breakout comes on strong volume, and this zone starts to work as a support, the upward movement may gain more momentum. But usually, it can't break it all at once, and tries to break it several times. According to the Elliott wave theory, the first and second waves have been completed on the current chart. Currently, we see that the price is in the process of starting the third wave. The third wave is theoretically the strongest and largest bullish wave. In technical analysis, the minimum target of the third wave is usually set at the 1,618 Fibonacci level. Looking at the price action right now, we see that the second wave is acting as a correction wave and has found strong support. If the price makes a strong breakout from this support and gains upward momentum along with an increase in volume, it is likely to make a quick breakout towards the 1,618 Fibonacci level, which is the target zone of the third wave. And the third wave comes suddenly out of nowhere. Looking at the chart, we can see that the price started to form a W pattern. The W pattern is also known as a double bottom pattern and is generally considered a strong bullish signal. For this pattern to form, the price needs to bottom twice, get a reaction, and then break the neckline upwards. Currently, we can see that the price is trying to move up from the second bottom, and if it breaks the neckline, we could see bigger rises. Looking at the chart from a broad perspective, we see that the price is moving within an ascending channel structure. Such structures are usually important for trend continuation because the price fluctuates within a certain band. At the moment, the price is in the lower band of the channel. The mid-band level usually works as the first resistance point, because price movements within the channel continue with a reaction at certain levels. It is necessary to pay attention when the price comes to the mid-band. When we look at the Bollinger Band, we see that the bands are getting quite narrow. This narrowing is usually a precursor to a strong move, because when the price is stuck, it accumulates energy and eventually makes a hard breakout in a certain direction. Right now, the price is stuck between the upper and lower band, meaning the market is in a state of indecision. This narrowing of the Bollinger Bands usually signals that a breakout is imminent. If the price moves towards the upper band and breaks it strongly, the bullish movement could accelerate. And only big whales can break this sideways movement. When we look at the MACD indicator, there is an upward crossover from below. This is generally considered a positive signal and indicates that the uptrend may begin. It is also important whether the MACD is below or above the zero line. If there is an upside crossover below the zero line, this could signal a stronger rebound. A cross above the zero line could signal a continuation of the current uptrend. This cross occurred below zero, and if it moves above zero, the uptrend will accelerate. Looking at the RSI indicator, we can see that it has been moving in a downtrend for some time. This suggests that the price is under pressure, and buyers are not yet fully in control. However, if it breaks the falling trend line on the RSI, this could be an important signal that momentum is turning upwards. Usually, trend breaks in the RSI can happen a few steps before price movements, which can be an early bullish signal. When the RSI rises, the price will follow. Looking at the vortex indicator, we can see that the red line is currently above the top, indicating that a downtrend is prevailing. Vortex is a highly effective tool for determining the direction of the market, and here the red line is above, indicating that the bearish move could continue. In this case, as long as the red line is above, selling pressure is likely to be high, and it means that buyers are not yet strongly in control of the market. However, if the blue line on the vortex indicator rises and crosses the red line, this is bullish. This crossover indicates that the bulls are gaining strength and the price may gain upward momentum. If the vortex blue line crosses the top, especially if it crosses the red line and stays above it permanently, this could be a strong signal that the uptrend has started. We should wait for the blue line to cross to the upper side. Currently, the price is trading below the 200 EMA. The 200 EMA is a very important indicator in determining the long-term trend. If the price continues to stay below the 200 EMA, this can be interpreted as a sign that the downtrend is continuing. However, if the price manages to break above the 200 EMA, a trend reversal may occur, and bullish momentum may begin. The 200 EMA is a critical level followed by many traders and algorithms. Especially big traders can determine the direction based on whether the price crosses the 200 EMA or not. If the price breaks above the 200 EMA, this level can now work as support and strengthen the upward movement. This means that the selling pressure will decrease and buyers will enter the market more. For the price to break the 200 EMA, it needs to be supported by strong volume. If the volume is low, a false breakout may occur and the price may move back down. But if a breakout occurs on high volume, this could be a strong signal that the trend has indeed changed. If it breaks above it and stays there, a long-term uptrend is coming. There is an important development in our first news. This tweet shared by the Swftc team announces that their platform has the ability to swap more than 400 cryptocurrencies. This shows that the Swftc ecosystem has a large liquidity pool and a wide range of use cases. In the crypto market, swap services are of great importance as they allow users to switch between different cryptocurrencies quickly and at low cost. Especially with the growth of decentralized finance, smooth and reliable swap transactions have become a critical issue for investors. The fact that Swftc supports more than 400 cryptocurrencies shows that the platform appeals to a wide user base and is trying to gain a stronger foothold in the crypto world. In addition, having such a wide swap network increases the competitiveness of the Swftc platform. Because while many swap platforms work with a limited number of tokens and specific blockchain networks, Swftc's wide range provides an advantage that improves the user experience. This presents a great opportunity, especially for investors looking to bridge the gap between different chains. In addition, such an announcement could have positive implications for the Swftc coin, because the platform's large swap capacity could generate more trading volume and increase demand for the Swftc token. The more actively users use the platform, the higher the transaction fees in the ecosystem, and the higher the commitment to Swftc. Let's not forget that the more money the project makes, the higher it goes. It was also announced that Bearer Coin was recently added to the Swftc swap platform. This development shows that the platform continues to increase the number of tokens it supports and grows its ecosystem. The addition of new tokens presents a great opportunity for both Swftc users and related projects, because each new integration can increase the trading volume of the swap platform, attract different investor groups, and bring more liquidity to the Swftc ecosystem. With the addition of Bearer Coin to the Swftc, users will now be able to trade the token quickly and securely. Especially for those who want to invest in the Bearer ecosystem, the Swftc platform can serve as a new bridge. This could enable Swftc to reach a wider user base and increase the volume of transactions. The team is working hard. Another important coin that Swftc added to the swap platform was MNT Coin. This development shows that the platform continues to increase the number of assets it supports and expands its ecosystem. The inclusion of MNT Coin on the Swftc platform can be a great advantage for users who invest in the MNT ecosystem, because MNT Coin can now be exchanged for other cryptocurrencies through Swftc's fast, low-cost, and easy-to-use swap service. Since it constantly lists coins on its platform, it attracts other investors. This may reflect positively on the coin. Yes, friends, I hope you liked the video. If you subscribe to my channel and like the video, More videos will be coming. Be careful in your investments, analyze the risks correctly, and always take strategic steps. I will be with you with different analyses, investment opportunities, and technical information in my videos. I wish you all a lot of profit. See you soon.